Keeping pet vaccinations up to date ensures the safety of all pets in your care. This video shows you how to configure vaccination tracking, including enabling vaccination flags and managing vaccination types to ensure accurate reporting. This video shows the steps taken on desktop. However, the process is exactly the same on a mobile. To start, simply access the menu using the hamburger icon in the top right corner. To begin, log into your PetSitter Plus dashboard. Let's start by enabling the vaccination feature in your system. Go to Admin, then Settings, and select Vaccinations. First, enable the Vaccinations module by toggling the setting on. This activates all related features across the software. Click Update to apply your changes. Top tip: if you are new to PetSitter Plus, then the Vaccination module should already be enabled on your software, but stay tuned to learn more about each of these settings. Next, decide if you'd like to allow clients to remove vaccination certificates in the portal. Toggle this on or off depending on your preference. If turned on, clients will be able to delete the digital vaccination record after it has been uploaded, if they wish. Then, enable vaccination flags. This powerful feature helps staff identify when a pet is missing a required valid vaccination. This means that you can easily comply with any necessary legislation and easily keep track of the vaccination status of pets in your care. Once vaccination flags are enabled, pets with expired or missing required vaccinations will be marked with a visual flag in the planner. They will also display on incoming service requests from the portal. For example, a red icon may appear next to a dog scheduled for boarding whose distemper vaccination has expired. Go to Reports and Vaccinations, then select the Expired Vaccinations report to send these reminders. This allows your team to follow up or apply specific policies before proceeding. Click Update to apply your changes. Important: if you run a dog daycare facility or offer home boarding, you may be required to track vaccination data by your licensing authority. Top tip: you'll find info icons throughout your system, offering extra help text beside key features. Just click the icon for a quick explanation of what each setting does. The last setting allows you to add your own vaccination guidance to your portal, so clients have clear formatted instructions on adding their vaccination records. Top tip: we have provided a suggested format for vaccination guidance, which you can find in our knowledge base. A link is provided below. If you wish, you can copy and paste our suggested text into the panel, or you can edit it or write your own version to suit your policies. Here is what the vaccination guidance looks like in the client portal. This will help them understand your policy and why they need to add their vaccinations. Next, let's look at how to manage the vaccination types that are tracked across the system. If you go to Admin, then Supporting Data, and Vaccination Types, you can see a comprehensive list of core and non-core vaccination types for dogs, cats, and rabbits. These are already set up for you and cover common vaccines such as rabies, distemper, and leptospirosis. You can also create custom vaccination types by clicking New. Enter the name of the vaccination and click Create Vaccination Type. Restrict it to a pet type if applicable. Top tip: restricting the vaccination type to a particular pet type ensures that only relevant vaccinations are shown to clients in the available drop-down list. And make sure the Active and Use in Reports toggles are switched on if you plan to track it. Top tip: the Use in Reports option is really useful if you want to monitor and report on certain vaccinations but not others. For example, it may be helpful to know that pets are vaccinated against Lyme disease, but it is not essential to your business that this is kept up to date. In that case, you would leave Use in Reports switched off. Click Update to save your new vaccination type. Top tip: you can return to this list at any time to deactivate, rename, or edit vaccination types to suit your policies. You are now ready to add vaccination records to the pet profile. Watch our video to see how to do this. A link is in the description box below. If you have any questions about setting up your vaccinations, please ask our support team. And that's it. With vaccination tracking and flags in place, your admins and staff will always be informed when a pet may be overdue or missing a key vaccine, improving safety, compliance, and client care. To continue enhancing your experience, be sure to explore our Learning Zone for additional videos on next steps and other topics that might be useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, check out our help articles linked in the description below or contact your coach or our support team. Curious about PetSitter Plus? If you're not already a client, you can try it free for 30 days. Sign up on our website today and see how we can simplify your business management and streamline your administration tasks. You can find a link to our free trial in the description box below. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date with helpful tutorials and top tips to enhance your pet care business.